So today we will install certificates on our delivery controllers so that we have communication between the DDC and the storefront through HTTPS. The process is similar to the one on installing certificates on the storefronts. So we need the INF file where we mention the DNS entries. So I'm using one certificate for two delivery controllers. As you know, this means you need to set the exportable to true, request it for server and user authentication, and mention all your DNS entries. As usual, um, we open command prompt and we need to request the certificate. Before I started, I just wanted to make sure that I have no certificate bindings, and you can check that with let's hash http show SSL cert, or you can go in IIS manager and look at the bindings. And SSL cert bindings, and you do not have HTTPS, only HTTP. Okay, so let's close this and let's create the CSR request. First we have to navigate to our folder. It's in C drive under temp. And here chart request new ddc01.enf. That's our file, our setup file, and we want to generate the CSR, and we will name it ddc0102 because it's or maybe like ddc02. Okay, dot CSR. Okay, it's generated. We take the content, open it with Notepad. Okay, and let's go to our certificate authority. Let's delete this one. We no longer need it. So here we need to access our web page with certificate request. Okay. Login, request a certificate, advanced, web, paste the content, so no spaces, submit, and we want it as base64, and we only want the certificate. Okay, let me directly rename it DDC0102. Okay, let's bring it back to our DDC. Okay, now let's install it. I know I showed you this on my other video with the storefront and we had an error. Let's see if now it will work. It should. So we go with chart request accept, and we also mention machine so that it installs it in our local computer store, and we type the name of the file ddc01 ddc02.char. Okay, let's see. Oh, chart, I didn't write it. Chart request. Chart request accept machine. Okay, should be fine. Okay, so it worked. We have the thumbprint and it's installed. We can check it directly. Okay, so it's here. Now, as on the storefront, we need to export it and to make it PFX with the same commands like last time. But let me try if I can do that now through this export. Next, yes, I want to. Okay, so it works. It also works through the normal GUI, process, through the certificate MMC. So here you have to leave those checked so that it can export the. Oh, let's do it one time like this. Password is 1234. Okay, and I want it like this. The encryption. Confirm password 1234. Okay, and we will give it a name, and then we will do the same thing through command line. ddc01 mmc. Just want to differentiate them. pfx. Okay, save, next, finish. Okay, so we have the pfx file. Let's check it. Open, not open. After I install it, I can check if I have everything fine. No, doesn't matter. Let's do it with command prompt 2. So chart until not export pfx. Export pfx and the password 1234, and mention that it's in your personal store, and the name or the thumbprint. So because we have here the thumbprint, I can take directly the thumbprint and mention what I want to name it, and I will name it ddc01.pfx. Okay, looks fine, and I should see the other one. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, now as I'm always doing, I need to delete it because we just needed the pfx file, the pfx variant of the certificate. I don't need this one, so I used this one just to generate the pfx, so I will delete it. Okay, and now we have to import the pfx file through ISS or through command line. I will import it through command line because it's faster. Import pfx and our certificate name. Let's view the extension too. Okay, so that we know what we are doing here. And it's ddc01.pfx. Okay, chartutil import pfx ddc. Okay, enter. And it's asking us for the password 1234 successfully. Okay, now it's installed. We need to create the binding. So for the binding, I need ISS, not ISS, default bindings, and add. We want HTTPS, select the certificate. You can view it before so here you have the private key, all is fine. This is fine. Where is it? Subject. Okay, you have both DDCs. Perfect. Okay. Here just go with OK. Close. Let's take the same certificate on the second DDC because we have two DDCs. DDC2. Okay, let's put it here, paste. What is this? vCenter test. Okay, don't need this. Okay, let's import it here through IIS. I don't know why I'm always saying ISS. So we go through to the server certificates. Where is it? Server certificates. Import, browse, get 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the first DDC, I done it through CMD. On this one, I'm doing it through IIS. Okay, personal, perfect. Okay, let's view it. No errors, looks good. Now we go and add the binding. Server, not here. Here, bindings. Add HTTPS, selected. Okay, close. As we tested, another thing that we can do, we can look now at the binding. It should show us something. Yep. So you can now see that you have the certificate bound. If you do not, you don't get too much information about its name or its location, but you have the certificate hash. And if you have this, you can compare it. So it's C9B, CB9, so it's the thumbprint. And you can also search for it. For example, if you connect through the server after you installed the certificate and you do not have the thumbprint listed there, you can always search for it. You need to open the MMC to search. So chart certificate and you go with thumbprint and find, and it will find it. So this is your certificate, and this is your store where it's located. Okay, so we installed the certificate on both DDCs. Now we need to switch the communication between the storefront and the DDCs from HTTP to HTTPS. I will now go on my storefront, so I'm on my storefront. You need to go to delivery controllers. So I have more delivery controllers, but we replaced the certificate on DDC1 and DDC02, and you just need to go to manage delivery controllers, edit, and here from HTTP switches to HTTPS and just click OK. Okay, and now you have HTTPS connection between your storefront and DDCs. In a productive environment, you will always need this to be switched to HTTPS. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.